Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, without wasting time, let's start the video. Solution number 1, open settings on your iPhone and tap on general. Scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Now tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. After reset settings, solve your problem. Solution number 2, go back to the home screen. Open settings. Tap on general. Scroll down. As you can see appears on screen, shut down. Tap on it and slide to turn off your iPhone. After 5 minutes you can turn on your iPhone. Solution number 3, go back to the home screen. Open settings. As you can see appears on screen, aeroplane mode. Just turn it on for 5 to 10 seconds. Now turn it on. Now finally go back to home screen and now check your camera portrait mode. Open the camera on your iPhone. And tap portrait. Tap continue. As you can see top of the screen, depth effect. It means your portrait camera properly work. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.